guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the day 1 of the vlog series. I am surely extremely excited for this one, and this is a surprise that I was talking about in my previous vlog, and I was working really hard on this one क्योंकि ये मेरे channel पे अभी तक का पहला video marathon है, so it is really special and close to my heart. So if you don't know what Diva Log is exactly, then let me give a quick and a brief description about it. So Diva Log is a series basically and originally started by Shreya Jan 2 years back. I know you know her, but if not, then let me tell you that Shreya Jan is one of the biggest names in beauty blogging on YouTube. She makes amazing content on YouTube and Instagram, and she is an inspiration to all. I'll mention the link to her channel in the description box. You can definitely check it out from there. So in a Diva Log series, there is back-to-back video uploads till Diwali, and I'm starting it from today since we have 1 week to go for Diwali, so I'm going to upload 7 videos back to back till Diwali. I'm all prepped and motivated for Diva Log. So for the day 1, I'm going to do a budget-friendly Diwali photo shoot. I'm going to spend 100 rupees only on the props, and this is going to be really fun. I'm going to add some guidelines, and at the end we are going to edit it on my mobile phone. So this is going to be real fun. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for the photo shoot, I planned something in my room only, and that too in a budget of 100 rupees since it was a Diwali photo shoot. So I thought lighting a prop can be a must. It should be a must, and it can be some diyas, some fairy lights or lychee lights that Diwali use, and that looks real good and gives that festive feel. So I went out to search something around my place only क्योंकि ज़्यादा दूर जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. I didn't felt like going too far to shop. So there was a store in my colony. It was a lighting store, and वहाँ पे बहुत सारी अच्छी लाइटें थी. Although I had so many of it at my place, but they were kind of dysfunctioning. Alternate जल रहे थे, so it was a total mess. So I purchased another one for 50 rupees only, and then there I decided that I'll use a Diwali wale lychee lights as a prop. Now the next prop that I found really apt for a Diwali photo shoot, not just Diwali photo shoot but for any festive photo shoot, is Genda Fool. So I went out, and there's this temple near to my place, and I was very sure कि वहाँ पे तो आराम से मिल जाएगा, and luckily I found them, but they had that medium size वाली गेंदा फूल की लड़ियाँ. I wanted that long length वाली so that I can use it. लेकिन ठीक है, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, so I purchased that medium sized one for 20 rupees. So all in all, I spent 70 rupees for the prop, and I was sorted. And after that, it was makeup time, and I feel that for a festive photo shoot, prop is really important, but at the same time, your makeup is really important क्योंकि वो अलग सा vibe और aesthetic add करता है. So for my makeup look, I just put on a lot of kajal, mascara, and all of that, and I just put on a small bindi and wore some silver jewelries, and that's where I was sorted for my look. Lastly, I just fixed both of my prop in the partition of the curtain in my room. Just pose there. I wanted torso length picture, that is only the upper part.
Without editing, this is how the pictures were, and now it's time for the editing.
For editing, I used PicsArt app, which is a very famous mobile app for editing and can easily sort out half of your editing problems. Open the picture in PicsArt app and just use these tools right here, and then adjust. You can adjust from this, and I'll just increase the brightness 25. Okay, now the next thing, we are going to tap on stickers and simply type bokeh here. We are going to add bokeh balls. Okay, now we have so many options.
I feel this one is perfect for a festive thing. Just reduce the opacity to a certain level. Now add the same thing onto this side as well. Reduce the opacity and just finalize this. So this is how the pictures turned out after editing it on PicsArt, and bokeh balls actually added that Diwali wala vibe to the picture.
So yeah, that was it for the day 1 of the vlog 2020. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down and show how much you're excited for the vlog 2027 back-to-back uploads. I'm sure this is going to make me nostalgic. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe to this channel. I value you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.